When it comes to keeping your property spotless, trust the experts at Basingstoke Gutter and Roof Cleaning. We don't just clean, we transform. Our team takes care of the jobs that others overlook. Found unwanted graffiti? We'll remove it quickly and safely, restoring your walls to their best. Patio looking tired? We bring outdoor spaces back to life, washing away years of dirt and grime. And to keep your energy flowing, we clean solar panels too, because maximum sunlight means maximum savings. We combine professional know-how with friendly, reliable service, using specialist equipment, outstanding results every time. So whether it's your home, your business, or your outdoor spaces, Basingstoke Gutter and Roof Cleaning keeps it spotless, safe, and shining bright. Contact Basingstoke Gutter and Roof Cleaning today for a free quote and discover what clean really means.